This hair is from Arabella. All their information will be down below. This is a 24-inch Jerry curly wig. It is a 5x5 closure and it's glueless. So as you can see, this is what the inside looks like. There are absolutely no combs, no bands whatsoever. This wig is meant to fit snug on your head. As you can see, the perimeter, there are no combs. And there are two hooks here where you can have an elastic band, but I did go ahead and take the elastic band off. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to slide my bonnet off and gel back my edges with my Eco Gel. My hair is already braided in braids from like a previous style. I really just keep my hair in braids, honestly, all month. And I just switch out wigs in between braids. And then I'll like freshen up my braids later whenever I see fit, honestly. But yeah, so I'm just slicking back my edges with my gel. And then I'm going to take the wig cap that they provided me and I'm going to put that on my head. Now I'm just taking my black opal cream makeup and I'm going to put that all over my wig cap here just to make it blend. This is like the thicker wig cap. It's not like the super thin wig cap. So I definitely want to make sure it is seamless underneath the wig and that you can't see it. I was actually a little concerned at first because I was like, this is the thicker wig cap and I'm doing this glueless look, so I was worried that you'd be able to see the wig cap underneath the wig, but you can't. So it came out good. And then once I'm done putting the makeup all over the wig cap, I'm going to take my lace tint and I'm going to spray the lace of the wig. I did bleach the knots just a little bit. I didn't want to over bleach it, but I still want to go in with my lace tint just to make everything more closer to the color of my actual complexion. So now I'm just going to slide the wig on my head. And remember earlier when I said that there weren't any combs in this wig? So I was kind of concerned like about how it was going to stay on my head. So I had to give it a little test. And by a little test, I mean a big test. Like I shook this wig all over, back and forth, up and down, just to see if it would like slide or to see if it would come off. And surprisingly, it was pretty sturdy. So, you know, this actually works. And here I'm just going in with my baby scissors and my razor to cut off the extra lace. I'm trying to go in a zigzag motion just so it wouldn't be like a blunt straight line. But the lace is actually super easy to cut. I didn't have any issues with it at all. My razor and the little scissors glided like right through it. Now I'm just going to do my baby hairs. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but I did want to put like a baby hair like on each side of the closure, just to help cover like that thick little chunk on the edge of the closure, you know, that you're supposed to cut off. I just wanted to be able to cover that off and cover that up. And also I just like the look of having like edges on each side of my part when I have a middle part. You can do no edges look, that's completely up to you. No baby hairs. I love baby hairs, especially like with this curl pattern. I feel like it's gonna look really cute. So I'm just parting out the baby hairs, nothing too thick, just something a little thin, and then I'm gonna take my small scissors and cut and curl them and style it with my gel again. So while my edges sit under the edge band, I'm going to tame these curls a little bit. Actually, the curl pattern came really pretty. Like, I love how it came, honestly. I was debating if I even needed to do this, but I just decided to go in with my spray bottle just to saturate the hair. And then I'm going to take my Cream of Nature curling cream just to add some moisture to it. Even though the hair is already really soft, I just wanted to add this to it to make it easier for my brush to go through. But I'm just going to take the two of these, saturate the hair, and I'm just going to brush through the hair with this like wired, I think it's like a Demon brush or whatever it's called, but this really makes the curls pop even more. Even though, like, I don't know, I loved the curl pattern how it was. It doesn't mess up the curl pattern, honestly. I feel like it enhances it, and it like breaks the curls apart and just gives it like a nice shape and a nice structure. So I'm just gonna do that to my hair. Now moving on to the front of my hair, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm just going to saturate the hair with water and then go behind it with the curling cream. I do that because the curling cream works better on damp hair. They say to do it on damp hair, so that's why I'm just wetting it a little bit. Yeah, and I also work in sections because this hair is very thick. I'll have the density information below, but it's very thick and very full. So, I mean, while you could probably work with it in 2 sections, I just found it easier to work with it in 4. It just allowed me to like really get to each section thoroughly. So overall, this is what it looks like when it's wet and it's curled, like not curled through, but when I brush through it and I've scrunched it. These curls are so beautiful. I don't know why. I love this curl pattern, this Jerry curly, and it's really thick and really full. It looks so pretty to me. So I just wanted you all to see what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like. So if you wanted to do the wet look, this is what the hair would look like. But I am going to show you the dried version a little bit later. But before I do that, I'm just taking my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm adding the finishing touches to my edges. I just wanted to make the front look a little sleek, and then I also wanted to flatten the hair around my part a little bit just so that it wasn't so poofy at the top. But yeah, so this is the finished look, and I absolutely love how this came out. It looks really pretty and really natural. And look at the hairline close up. It looks really good as well. I almost forgot that this is a freaking glueless wig because it looks so good and it's so sturdy. But as you can see, I can lift and I can shift the hairline, and I can put like a comb underneath it because it is glueless, even though I did put like gel on my edges. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like in the curl pattern. As you can see here, it's dried a little bit and it's gotten fluffier. And it looks really pretty. Like, look how thick and full that is. That is a lot of hair. But it's not like super heavy. It doesn't like weigh your head down or anything. And the wig is still sturdy even though it doesn't have combs and it's not glued down. So overall, I am super pleased with this hair. It is really cute and everything that I would want for the summertime. So like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.